For me, I always come back to when I was learning how to play guitar. I remember trying so freaking hard to do certain things, a scale or a song that I was trying to learn, and it just would not freaking happen. It wouldn't happen. It was so hard. When I stopped trying, it happened. And I carry that through my life to this day. I remember having that realization when I was probably 13 years old. I practiced and I practiced. And of course, the physical body needs conditioning. This is true. I needed finger dexterity. I needed to strengthen the knuckles. All that good stuff. It has to happen. But every time you do it, you strengthen a little bit more. And every time you disconnect, you are able to do it that much better. I carry this through all aspects of my life. Recently, I've tried writing. I've never been into it at all. And I thought, okay, I'm going to start writing short stories because it's fun. I enjoy it. It is exciting for me, and it's something that I enjoy doing. But like you might imagine, it doesn't go as planned. I will write for 10 minutes, a couple pages. I will read those pages, and I won't like it. But when I step away from it, I'm not thinking about it. I'm not mowing it over. Not at all. I just let it go. I let it go. I just completely disregard it. The meaning that we put to anything is the meaning that we will give it, and that is what will stick. So I give it no meaning. It just is. It's the thing that I did. When I come back with the same subject in mind that I want to write about, it's so much better. It's so much better because you have to understand putting in the reps happens, but there's always that level of discomfort we must go through. Allow that discomfort to just be. Just allow it to be through meditation, through your manifestations, through all of that good stuff. It's going to be uncomfortable. If you start writing down, I am so happy that I love myself now, that might strike a chord. That might strike a chord, and it's going to feel uncomfortable. And it's kind of weird because not a lot of people do that stuff. In my experience, the only people that ever did that stuff were people that had problems. Bipolar disorder, or I have anxiety, I have PTSD, so I need to write these certain things down to heal myself. No. Everybody should do this. Everybody should do this. And it will feel uncomfortable, and it'll be mind-blowing when you see the results happen. Do your duty and let it go.